Sabi nila, Facebook ads lang naman. Ang dali lang. Pero kung totoo yan, edi sana lahat na ng business nagbo-boom na, 'di ba? What they don't see is the pressure, the constant testing, and the risk of burning thousands just to find what works. Akala nila isang click lang may benta na, pero hindi nila alam na isang maling targeting, isang pangit na creative, o isang over-budget na campaign, ubos ang ad spend. Wala pang kita. Every single decision I make is a gamble. And unlike what most people think, hindi ito basta-basta. Araw-araw kailangan kong bantayan kung kumikita ba yung ads ko o kailangan ko nang mag-pull out bago masunog yung budget. Minsan, ang isang campaign ang ganda kahapon, today biglang bagsak. Bakit? Because Facebook ads are unpredictable. May data, may strategy, pero walang kasiguraduhan. Kaya pag sinabing madali lang ang Facebook ads, try mo muna. Kasi sa mundo namin, hindi lang sipag ang kailangan. Kailangan mo ring matutong maglaro ng numbers, magbasa ng data at mag-adapt sa isang platform na walang kasiguraduhan. Hindi to trabaho ng tamad. Hindi to para sa mahina ang loob. So the next time you hear someone say, Facebook ads lang yan, ang dali lang, tanungin mo sila, kung madali lang pala, bakit hindi pa nila ginagawa? And if you're a business owner, tired of wasting ad spend without results, baka naman it's time to work with someone who actually knows how to do it right. Let's talk.